Well, getting ready for Thanksgiving. Started with some peanut butter cookies. Moving on to fogged up lens, cranberry orange bread. And then after these are done, I will head for the apple and cherry pie. A couple of loaves of cranberry orange bread cooling on the rack. Okay, the apples are all sliced and waiting for the pie shell. Now I gotta get started on the crust. Okay, the apple pie is done and the cherry's in the oven. And I made some little cinnamon sugar crisps with leftover pie dough. Alright, cherry pie is done. Time to take it out. One cherry pie, one apple pie, cinnamon crisps, and cranberry orange bread with some peanut butter cookies.